Good morning everyone. My name is Ruli Adaha Ritonga. I am English teacher at SMA 1 Ranta Utara, and now I am a student of program Professional Teacher at State University of Makassar Grade 4. Today, I want to share my experience in teaching learning process. And this activity taken on Monday, 6 December 2021 at 12 p.m. And everyone, here is the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? You look so handsome, you look so beautiful, and you look so great today. Before we start our study, let's pray together. Kita akan berdoa bersama. Captain of the class, please.
Attention, please. Before we start study, let's pray together. Finish.
I will check your prepare to study. Bapak akan mengecek, Bapak akan memeriksa kesiapannya belajar. Your class is very clean, good, very good. And then your clothes good, your book, you prepare your book, very good. Now, I will check your absence today. Jahwa, Imelda, Citra, Bibi, Salvi, Rizky, Adil, Rehan, Dayan, good, very good. I will give you your bell. You say, do the best, be the best, and get the best. Your hand like this. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, go. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. One more again. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. Lakukan yang terbaik dalam hidupmu, jadi yang terbaik hidupmu, dan akan kamu mendapatkan yang terbaik dalam hidupmu. That's right. We will remember that we have studied, that we have learned last week. Kita akan mengingat apa yang kita pelajari, apa yang kita telah belajar, diskusikan bahan materi minggu lalu. Raise your hand if you know. Raise your hand if you know.
About subjective, sir.
About subjective. Are you very easy? Next. About objective. Good. We have studied about subjective, objective, relative pronoun, subjective pronoun, and the other. Now today, the competency today, kompetensi hari ini adalah kita akan pelajari menganalisa fungsi sosial dari ucapan selamat dan pujian, membuktikan teks tentang ucapan dan selamat. Today we will learn about expression congratulation and expression compliment. Kita akan belajar mengenai ucapan selamat dan ucapan pujian. And then we will focus on, kita akan fokusnya, mengidentifikasikan fungsi sosial, membedakannya, melengkapi fungsi sosial, melengkapi ungkapan pujian dan selamat dan pujian, membuat teks lisan dan menampilkan teks lisan. Di sini nanti Bapak akan menilai, selain daripada pengetahuanmu, Bapak akan menilai sikapmu dan keterampilanmu. Good. Now you can study with your group. Kamu dapat belajar dengan grup kamu, and then kamu sudah tahu grupnya, maksudnya kelompok yang mana-mana saja. Karena minggu lalu kita sudah pakai kelompok. Silakan. My student. Look in front of the class on our screen. Lihat di depan kelasnya dalam PowerPoint kita, dalam layar kita. All of the material today you can get into the link. Semua materi hari ini kamu akan dapatkan linknya. Nah, ini linknya nak. I will share on your WhatsApp group. Oke, nanti Bapak share nanti ke dalam WhatsApp group kalian. Oke. Oke. What will you say if your friend win the Math Olympic? Apa yang kamu katakan jika teman kamu menang Olimpiade Matematika? Raise your hand if you know. Congratulations for win the Olympic, the Math Olympic. Okay, good, very good. Okay, next. What will you say if your friend wear a new shoes? Okay. You look so great today. Very good. Okay, we will study about congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, we will make a definition about congratulations. Expression congratulations. Congratulations is an experience that we use to give the congratulations to friends when he or she success in doing something. Jadi ucapan selamat ini adalah ungkapan yang dimana kita berikan, kita ucapkan ketika dia laki-laki atau dia perempuan sukses dalam melakukan sesuatu hal. If your friend success to do something, you say congratulations. Okay. Now you look conversation. Okay, kita akan melihat percakapannya. Okay.
Hi, Priya. Good morning. How are you?
Hi, Nadir. I'm good. How about you?
Very well. You look so happy today. What's the news?
Do I look so happy?
Yeah, you look so happy. Did you win the competition?
Yeah, I did it. We won the basketball competition.
Really? Oh my God. Congratulations on your achievement. I am so proud of you and your team.
Thank you so much for your kind words.
Which team was your rival?
For the conversation between Namira and Atala, what Namira say to congratulate Atala? Apa yang diucapkan nak? Congratulations. And then what Atala respond? What is his response? Apa nanti responnya? Thank you so much. Okay, itu adalah conversation. This is the about conversation about congratulations. Okay, finish about congratulations. Expression congratulations, and then responnya. Okay, di sini ungkapannya, di sini responnya. Okay, okay, follow me. Congratulations. It's very good of you to. It's very good of you to say. I'm very happy of you. Thank you. That's wonderful. How nice of you to say so. Good for you. Thank you very much. Well done. Any questions so far? Sampai di sini ada pertanyaan? Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Example in the dialogue about congratulations. Okay, you and then you J.
I want you to give me honors. Congratulations, you did it.
Thanks a lot.
What are you going to do next? Get a job?
No, I'm going to stay next month to get my master.
That's great. Go for it. Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay. Ini adalah for the example in dialogue about congratulations. Okay now. Okay now we have finished about congratulations, and then next we will study about compliments. Compliments. Okay. If we make definition about compliment is an expression that we show or say to express, to give praise. Jadi komplimen ini ungkapan yang dimana mengungkapkan kita ucapan tentang pujian, memberikan pujian. Okay. Now you look the conversation. Okay.
Good morning, Jessica. It's so nice to meet you again. Finally, good morning. Yeah, you are so busy these days. Anyways, you look so beautiful with that hairstyle. Looks so fresh. Really? Thank you so much. Yeah, really. Beautiful and fresh at the same time. But I know you are going to be too confident. Oh my God. Anyway, I am so hungry. What are you going to order? I think I am going to order pizza, fresh vegetable salad and milkshake. I like them so much. What a delicious food. I am going to order fruit salad and strawberry.
Okay, yang mana di situ nak? Which one? The to show expression compliment. Yang mana di situ menunjukkan ungkapan pujian? You look, mana? You look so beautiful with her new hairstyle dengan gaya rambut yang baru. Very good. Okay, apa responnya? Siapa tadi? Apa responnya? Dipuji seperti itu? Apa responnya? Thank you. Ya, responnya seperti itu. Question compliment, respon. Oke, ini adalah ungkapannya, ini adalah responnya. Oke, follow me. What a wonderful performance. Thank you. What a nice dress. Thanks. You look so gorgeous. I'm glad you like it. Good job. Good job. It's very kind of you to say that. You really did a good job. Thanks a lot. You look so beautiful today. Oke, itu enak ungkapannya. Kemudian di sampingnya adalah responnya. Oke. For example in the dialog, dari contohnya ada dialog ini ya. Oke, John sama si Mike. Oke, John sama si Mike. Oke, is that
Is
your?
that your new haircut?
Yeah, I cut.
Yeah, I cut my hair yesterday. You look great. Thank you so much.
Okay, next. Okay, now, we have to study about expression, congratulation, and compliment. And then, open your book in page 24. Open your book in page 24. And then, discuss with your group about expression, congratulation, and compliment for our group. Okay. Jadi diskusikan dengan kelompokmu mengenai permasalahan yang ada di buku tentang ungkapan selamat dan ungkapan pujian. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to discuss with your friend about congratulation and compliment in your book. Okay, please silakan. Complete the dialogue table with the expression of pronunciation and compliment profile. Di buku kita instruksinya adalah ada pemasaran di situ melengkapi ungkapan ujian dan respon dan ungkapan selamat dan respon. Oke. Tabel 1. Mengenai about congratulations. Group 1. Yang mana-mana saja di situ ungkapan selamat di tabel yang pertama. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Next.
Please accept my warmest congratulations.
Next.
Congratulations being the first winner.
Dia ada lagi nggak ada? Next. Responnya yang mana?
Thank you.
Next.
Thank God.
Next.
Well done.
Well done. Next. Compliment. Yang mana lagi di situ termasuk compliment?
You have done a great job.
Next.
What a smart boy you are.
Next.
How beautiful you are.
How beautiful you are. Bagaimana meresponnya?
Thanks.
Next.
I'm glad you think so.
I'm glad you think so. Good. Very good. And then for our book, complete the dialogue with expression. Kita melengkapi dialog antara between Rudy and Ben. Kita melengkapi dialog sama si Rudy sama si Ben. Rudy sama si Ben. You Rudy and then you Ben. Rudy and Ben.
Hi Ben, how are you? Hi, you were good in that one jacket.
Next. What did you answer, Rudy? Apa jawabannya nak?
Thank you for.
Thank you for saying so. Thank you for saying so. Next. Lanjut nak? Kamu si Ben, kamu lanjut Ben, kamu Rudy. Lanjut. I have never.
I've never seen you in a jacket. Is it new?
Rudy, yes.
Yes, my sister
Both it.
bought it
Oh.
for when she went to Singapore.
Next. I see. Lanjut.
Oh, I see.
Jawabannya yang pertama adalah thank you for. Next, what a nice new hairstyle. Next, I'm glad you. Next, congratulations, and then you did it very well. We back again for our screen. Kita kembali lagi ke PowerPoint kita. Work in group. Bekerja dengan kelompok. Instruksinya, in your book, choose a topic of your choice, write a dialogue by a pronunciation and compliment. After that, practice on the class with your book. Ada sini permasalahan. Bagaimana situasinya jika seandainya if your football team won the regency competition. Jadi kalian membuat conversation percakapan jika tim sepak bola kamu menang kompetisi kabupaten. Situation 2, your friend won the Math Olympic. Situasi yang kedua, teman kamu menang Olimpiade Matematika. Buat percakapannya, yang mana kalian sukai. Compliment. Situation 1, your best friend has just bought a new watch. Teman baik kamu baru saja membeli jam tangan baru. Make a conversation about it. Situation 2, you see your friend painting that's very well. Kamu melihat teman kamu melukis dengan bagus. Jadi, what is your conversation about it? I will give you 10 minutes. You study with your group. You can discuss about conversation with your group, and then I will give you 10 minutes. Please. 10 menit untuk mengerjakannya berdasarkan masalah yang ada di PowerPoint kita. Good. Congratulations. Good. Compliment. Itu dia baca. Good. Very good conversation. Good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay.
Nonton aja. Serius yang penting.
Nanti kelompok sana nanti ke depan nanti kamu merespon. Mana itu kelompok kamu merespon? Okay, finish. Finish. Okay. Which one? Yang mana? Okay. Kelompok mana yang ingin maju ke depan? Okay. Based on of the situation. Okay. Group one. Okay, please. Group one. Okay. Okay, group one. Okay, group one. Satu mengalami.
What the next paper have I said?
What now? The news about your football team winning the guarantee competition is really your team?
Yeah.
Yes, our congratulations for your team. Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Okay. 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 Any comment for the group one? Ada komennya untuk kelompok satu? Any comment? Okay.
It's very good competition.
It's good. It's very good composition. Okay, good. Okay. Percakapan yang bagus katanya. Mantap. Ya. So, apa yang diucapkannya nak? Ucapan selamat apa yang diucapkan mereka tadi? Kata-kata apa? Congratulations for your team. Ya kan? Congratulations for your team. Itu diucapkan mereka. Next. Okay. Next the other group, ada lagi kelompok lain yang ingin maju. Okay, next. Apa masalah?
Hello, how are you doing, Rosita? They good at me. I'm feeling great today. How was your weekend? Yesterday, we had a feast.
Lovely one.
Really? Hey, what a beautiful one is your wedding.
Thanks a lot.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Okay, next. Okay, thank you. Clap your hands. Okay. Any comment? Okay. Apa yang diucapkan? Apa yang diapa? Apa ungkapan komplimen, pujiannya di sana tadi? Yang di dalam percakapan mereka. Apa ungkapan pujiannya? What a beautiful
Hey, what a
watch.
beautiful watch.
Watch you are wearing. Oke, apa namanya itu? Jam tangan yang bagus yang kamu pakai. Itu katanya kan, memujinya. Oke, very good. Oke, well done. Oke, we have studied about expression congratulations and then compliment, and then the last meeting I will give you test for your individually. Oke, Bapak akan memberikan tes kepada tiap-tiap individu atau kepada pribadimu sendiri, maksudnya kepada tiap siswa. Oke. Oke. Oke, with your individual leave, okay, and I will give you 10 minutes to do it, untuk melakukan ini, okay, untuk mengerjakan ini, okay, please. Okay, finish. Finish. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, you have to finish about your test. You have finished to do your test. Okay, thank you. We have studied about expression, pronunciation, and complement. Any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan? Okay, nothing. Okay. Before we close our meeting today, okay, we will make conclusion. Kita akan membuat kesimpulan about what we study today. Apa yang telah kita pelajari, what we have studied today. Apa yang telah kita pelajari hari ini. We make a conclusion. Kita akan membuat kesimpulan. Okay, raise your hand if you know, if you want to make a conclusion today. Raise your hand. Okay.
Congratulations is an expression that we use to use the congratulations for someone that succeeds in doing something.
Okay, so, okay, congratulations adalah katanya ungkapan yang dimana kita berikan kepada he or she success to do something. Okay, sukses untuk melakukan sesuatu hal. Good, very good. Apa yang kita, what we to say? Apa yang kita ucapkan? Congratulations. Okay, apa respon kita? What is the response?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, next. Congratulations sudah. About conclusion about compliment. Raise your hand if you know. Okay.
Compliment is an expression that we show or say to express or give praise.
Okay, mengungkapkan tentang pujian kepada seseorang. Good, very good. Apa yang kita ucapkan kalau kita memuji seseorang? What we say?
What a beautiful skill you are wearing.
What a beautiful skill you're wearing. Sungguh pakaian atau sungguh sesuatu yang kamu pakai sangat cantik. Good, very good. Apa respon kita nak?
Thank you.
Thank you juga bisa. Okay, I'm glad you think so. Saya bahagia kalau saya senang kalau kamu berpikir seperti itu. Okay? Okay. Before we close our meeting today, okay, I will remember you. Okay, next week we will study about to be going to and then should be going to. Kita akan belajar mengenai be going to. Ya, next week kita akan mempelajari ya. Okay, be going to and to be going to, and then your assignment for your individually untuk pribadinya masing-masing, untuk dirinya masing-masing. Okay, bukan congratulation card. Find out congratulation card in the internet, okay, in the Google, you're browsing about congratulation card. Kamu bisa cari di internet atau di mana saja mengenai kartu ucapan selamat. Oke, kamu beri kepada Bapak mengenai apa namanya tadi kartu ucapan selamat. Oke, for you individually, and then for your group, combine congratulation and compliment in the short conversation or dialog. Kombinasikan ucapan selamat dan ucapan pujian dalam suatu dialog atau percakapan. Oke? Oke, you understand? Oke, good. Before we close our meeting today, we will say again our yell. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. And then your hand like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Do the best, be the best, and get the best. One more again. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. Do the best, be the best, and get the best. Okay, thank you. And then, captain of class, please.
Attention please. Before we go home, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much for my students. Keep you healthy and study hard for your home and our school. Tetap semangat, tetap sehat, tetap belajar keras di rumah maupun di sekolah. Okay, thank you. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.